Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining me. So, I got a little something different for you this morning. I'm going to be cooking some breakfast food in my air fryer, and it does an awesome job. So, you guys stick around and we're going to get started. So, the air fryer that I am using is the Cuisinart TOA 70 with a grill option. It has tons of room. It has two rack positions. Has your dials up top, your oven timer, temperature setting, your function setting. You have grill, air fry, bake, broil, even a warm setting. Uh, Also, it toasts, which is over here in your temperature control. You can turn it over to toast or broil. And then you have your timer, whether you like your bread to be light or dark. You can set that right there. This is by far the best air fryer that I've had. You can cook just about anything in it. It's dependable, and I'm fixing to show you how I cook breakfast in it. The first thing I always do is preheat my air fryer. So I've got it on 375. I've got it turned on, and I'm going to let it preheat. We use this Swaggerty's premium sausage, 30 patties in a pack. It's real good sausage. All we're going to do is just simply lay that on the rack right there. This is as simple as it gets. We'll go ahead and bring our bacon in. Just lay our bacon long ways on the rack, just like that right there. This air fryer really cooks this meat up just about perfect. There we go. And this is pretty thick bacon too, guys. I like thick bacon. So we'll get that out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and load this up in our air fryer. All right, we'll just go ahead and pop that door open. When you pop it open, it stops running. And we're going to set that in there in the bottom rack, just about like that. Close that door. You see the light kick back on. We're going to let that cook for probably about 12 minutes or so, is about all it's going to take on that. So we'll be back. All right, guys, so the timer just went off. Everything should be done. Oh, look at that. Man, I'm going to tell you what. You got to grab a hold of it here. There we go. We'll get that out. We'll set that down. Everything's perfectly cooked. All right, we'll go ahead and take everything off and put it on our plate. You can always adjust your time on this, guys, as far as, do you like your bacon crispy? Do you like it a little flexible? However you want to cook it. Look at that sausage. Boy, I'm going to tell you what, that is delicious. All right, so I'll drain the grease out of that after I got the bacon and sausage off. So I'm going to lay me some bread on here. Just like that. And we're going to go right back into that air fryer. And we're going to set it on toast. And it'll take probably about 4-5 minutes. All right, guys, looks like it's all ready. So we'll go ahead and we'll grab that out. Boy, that is some good looking toast right there. All right, pick those up and we'll go ahead and put us a little butter on there. Can't go wrong with a little buttered toast. We love toast. It's almost like a main meal around here. All right. We'll get that set on our plate. All right, I believe we'll go ahead and make our plate here. Well, it's going to be a delicious breakfast. And last but not least, we got a couple over easy eggs. There you have it, guys. Air fryer breakfast. You can't beat that. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for all your support. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.